lunch break, so I just went and got some gas. It's $3.59 in my area. What is gas in your area? I'm using a new app. I'll drop it like right here, but you get cash back, but you have to go to certain gas stations. I think it's really awesome. So check it out. I don't know. My mom said there was like a referral code, so if you sign up with me, then there should be a referral code, but I'm not sure. I'm just gonna drop the app here and then we'll do the referral code later on. But I'm super hungry. I'm gonna see what I can get at Safeway. Yes, I just got a grocery haul, but of course I forgot my lunch. Wednesdays are early start days for us because teachers have meetings and it's just chaos. I try and set everything up at night like you always see, but I always forget something important, and today it's food, and I need food for fuel. We all know how I feel about food, so I'm gonna go in and see if I can find anything. Dirty window. I did not find much. I got tortilla chips, some pretzels, and I do have salsa in the refrigerator in the school, but that's all I got because there's not really a lot at Safeway, so that's okay. I will just hurry home so I can eat and show you what we're cooking for dinner. I really want to have lasagna because I'm super hungry, so I'll show you how I make it a vegan way and please the whole family because they can't tell a difference. I'm not in the business of tricking people for most of these vegan substitutes, but this lasagna, I'm telling you, it just tastes identical to regular lasagna, so I will show you how I make that. I did want to share with you a vegan fail. This doesn't happen all the time, but I am not in the business of wasting food. I saw plant-based and jumped on it. I ignored everything else. I didn't even look that it contained dairy, so I already cooked this. I did my best to pick out the feta, but sometimes that happens. So I'm organizing. Look at the current state of affairs. Not good. Not good. But it will be. It will be. Look at that. Oh my gosh. It's so bad. Oh, I need to stop looking at it. All right, just organize it, Tor. We got home and my Quinn order was here. You all know I love the company. If you're looking for inexpensive organic fabrics with really, really beautiful designs, I suggest checking out Quinn. I always just wait for their price point sale or their yard sale is what they're calling it right now and find really cute things for the kids. They're super unique and they're really great for sensitive skin. I've noticed both of my kids have pretty sensitive skin in the winter just because it gets so dry in Colorado. So I'm going to show you what I got them. I got Wilder this little, I guess it's like a cherry blossom. It reminded me of like, I don't know, something tropic, but I thought it was cute. It may not be the print that we always get, but I really loved the button up, and this is some organic cotton. Next year, for next year, I got Delilah these little turkey bloomers. They were like $3.80 or something, and I thought they'd be cute with some tights. And then over here, I got the Mystical collection. I voted for this. I'm actually in a Quinn group, and that's how far the obsession goes. And I'm so, so thankful for the connections that I've made there. But I thought these were super cute, right up our alley. And then over here, I got Delilah this little jumpsuit. I figured it would be cute with something like white underneath and a squirrel headband. Thought that was cute. It's pants here. And then for both of the kids, I got them like matching owl outfits. So Delilah has like they call it a ballerina bubble. And then I really loved the rough edge right here, this raw edge. That's new. I thought that was cute. And then I got Wilder this hoodie. The hoodies I size up for him because he's just a little longer. So I get him a 4T. And then I got Delilah this rose quartz jumpsuit with this little hem here. I thought that was so cute. Oh my gosh, totally us if you know us or if you've seen us on social media. We love anything rocks. We love gemstones, anything like that. And then for myself, I got another teacher dress. So it has a hood here and a pocket. It's long sleeve and it's super long. So I thought it would be nice with some leggings. I'm going to get this all situated and washed, and then I will see you soon. I'm going to start out some of my holiday baking tonight. I like to give cookies away to friends, neighbors, family, but I want to test some cookies out. My mom always makes a huge batch. We're going to do 2 different ones with the same base over here. So we have peanut butter, cranberries, dark chocolate, flour, baking powder, vanilla. We have some cane sugar, 2 sticks of vegan butter, and of course applesauce as my egg replacer. I, of course, will list this all in the description box down below, but you're essentially making a base to divide into 2 different kinds of cookies. I like to do this because you can really mix it up and make some nice plates. So I'm creaming the butter together as well as the sugar, vanilla, and the applesauce, and then I add my dry ingredients, which are just flour and baking powder, and then I blend it all together. I'm going to divide it in half and mix 2 tablespoons of peanut butter with 1/2, and then cranberries and dark chocolate for the other half. I absolutely love these. They turned out so good. They made 12 cookies a piece, and I baked them at 375 for around 12 minutes. You're going to just have to check it, see if your bottoms start browning, but you will see I like a lighter kind of cookie, but you could absolutely leave it in for longer depending on how you like your cookies.
I know what matters to you. What do you want? What's your biggest need? Every hour we spend together, then suddenly the chances are small, just like the lottery. Something that matters to me. But what do you want? What's your biggest need? Every hour we spend together, then suddenly the chances are small, just like the lottery. I just hope we could stay together. We wait and see, but the chances are small, just like the lottery.
So go ahead and leave it. I don't know what's on your mind, and there's no way I can fix it, but you're also leaving me behind. Just a few more hours.
Hey, can you throw the ball to your sis? Whoa! Now I'm starting on a salad. It was bath night and some things happened. Delilah ended up getting sick. She's okay now, but it just complicated the lasagna situation. So I just did a quick salad. I'm going to destem the kale. I have fresh basil, green onion. I have Persian cucumbers, tomatoes, hemp seeds, and an apple. I'm going to mix it with my cashew Caesar dressing. I'm just showing you how I prepare my kale. A lot of people are intimidated by kale. I'm just going to cut it off into bite-sized pieces and then massage it with olive oil and salt, and that is the best way that my stomach can digest it, but it totally is up to you. But definitely give this a try. It's super easy, and the salad's very filling with the kale. You could add some quinoa to this if you wanted, but I was just keeping it simple so I had some fuel for bath time.
I know you mean it. We're falling like stars. I know you noticed the chaos around us.
Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
Peekaboo.
Peekaboo. Hi.
Peekaboo. A peekaboo.
All the lights are out, I'll call you back. Never need to say goodbye. I'll come back later by your door. Is there any place you wanna go to?
Alrighty, my friends, that is going to do it for today's video. I forgot to tell you yesterday, happy Vlogmas. This is day 2. I'm so excited to be doing this. I can't wait to show you some of our fun holiday prep. As always, stay adventurous, stay creative, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye, everyone.